Hey, puppies.
Did the dogs mess it up?
No.
Okay.
What y'all doing?
So.
Hey, friends. Welcome back to Watavue Mountain. You probably guessed it. No, not at the mountain today, but we do have another neat little, hopefully, cleaning hack for you. Something I saw somebody else do and said, you know what, this fireplace right here really needs a good cleaning. So we're going to take some simple tools. Scrubbing bubbles, a scrub brush, and some water and a rag, and we're going to see if we can't get these bricks clean. So you can't tell because my big fat butt's in the way, but let me clean the inside out because there's still ashes in there. So let me get that cleaned out, then we'll see if this scrubbing bubbles actually works on this brick. So get yourself something to drink, sit back, relax. Remember it's Friday, remember everybody deployed. Get something to drink, let's get busy. Okay, as you can see, I got all the ashes out of here, so that's looking pretty good. So now what we're gonna do is we'll just start here on this first little block, because it's not super terrible. You see these ones over here are pretty bad, but maybe we'll start on this block and just see. Because like I said, I've never done this before, and I don't know if it's actually gonna work. So, let's just spray a couple of these. So we're gonna spray that. And we'll let that scrub, I'll probably let it sit for about 2 minutes. So, sit there for a minute. Well, I'll let it sit for 2 minutes. So, you hang tight. We'll come back in 2 minutes. I'm gonna keep spraying a little more and we'll see what happens. 2 minutes. Just dip this in a little bit of water. Got some warm water. And then we're just gonna, nice and easy, kind of circular up and down. And now I put some rags down here. I don't think you can see them in this view, but I put some rags down there just to kind of catch some of this as it drips off. I'll probably end up cleaning this, what's it called? The part I'm sitting on. What's it called? Somebody tell me what it's called. Mantle? No, mantle's above my head. Threshold? Whatever. I'll probably end up cleaning this too, so I'm not too worried about getting some spots, but I'm just gonna keep cleaning. I'm gonna stop talking. I'll probably fast forward this just as I scrub with a brush, but you see how easy it is. And then we'll see once these dry, because they're wet, so obviously they look dark, but they look cleaner than they were so far. So enough talking, more scrubbing. All right, I mean, they look better so far, but they're still wet. So let me turn the fan on, we'll get these things dried, and then we'll see if it's even worth doing it on the other side, or we need to switch up our technique. Well, it's mostly dry, so what do you think? I mean, clearly a difference between these bricks that we just cleaned and these bricks up top, and those bricks behind me, right? They're not quite dry, because I realized something as I was going. I should have cleaned this up here first, because now I'm gonna clean this and it's gonna run down onto this. So keep that in mind, and we'll do that on the other side. But I think it's jam up. Now these bricks don't exactly match these bricks, but I think it's probably been 10 years since we cleaned this, so these bricks might not ever be this color again. But I think they look 1,000 times better. Leave your comments down below, let me know what you think. But again, enough of me rambling. Let's do some more spraying, some more scrubbing, see what happens. notice we switched cameras because of course the batteries are all dead. So let's let this dry, turn the fan back on, and see how it did. Oh, also, use some iPro. I was a little slack on that first section over there, and just a good idea because that brush just slings stuff everywhere. So get you some iPro. So let's let this dry and see what happens. There you go, dried. Almost unbelievable difference. You can see I missed a couple spots here on the corners. I'll come back and scrub those off a little bit later, but this is pretty much dried out. There's a little bit here and there, but I mean, you saw what it looked like before. So I'm pretty impressed. And then this is kind of tricky up here because this is under the, you can see the shadow of the mantle comes right across there. So these look darker, but I think that's just the color of the stone. So the great thing is no residue, not any real harsh chemicals. I don't know what's exactly in Scrubbing Bubbles, but you know, it's not going to bleach out anything. And it's, like I said, these ones over here, you can see are dry and they look fantastic. So, so there we go. I'm pretty pleased. For $7, cost $4 for the Scrubbing Bubbles, cost $3 for the brush. If you already have a brush, it's going to cost you $4, and that's it. I mean, I don't know. I didn't do a bunch of research, but I know that they make some stuff, professional stone cleaning, that's going to get rid of the soot and do all those things. That's way more expensive than $4. And it's probably got some really nasty stuff in it. Probably smells like the stuff you use for oven cleaner. But this stuff, like I said, and it, maybe if I didn't have to film and let it dry and do all that, 10 minutes. So anybody, literally anybody can do this. Now I got it. There's a bunch of other techniques out there where you take some vinegar and some baking soda, or you get the a little wire brush to put on the end of your drill. But you know, some people don't have a drill. You don't want to have to go buy the wire brush. You can just go spend $3 and buy this brush instead of buying a drill and then wire brush and all that stuff. And then, like I said, $4 for the Scrubbing Bubbles. Of course, I'm not getting paid by Scrubbing Bubbles or by whoever makes that scrub brush. But this was a technique that we saw that we thought, that's worth a try because, like I said, we hadn't cleaned this thing in 10 years. So there you go. Something super easy. Anybody, literally anybody can do this. Unless maybe you're quadriplegic, but you got the point. So that's it, folks. Another quick little thing here. This might be 10 minutes altogether, especially with all my talking here at the end, but it's all good. So again, the Lord has been good to us. Count your blessings. I mean, we're absolutely blessed that we have a fireplace to clean, and the Lord continues to bless us in all kinds of ways that we don't even ask for. So count your blessings. Be thankful that God's on your side, because He always is. Whether you want Him to be or not, He's there with you. So thanks for coming. Thanks for checking us out. Of course, if you like anything we're doing here at the mountain, you like this video, hit like. If you like everything else, hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you know when we post new content. And then look up over this way. We're going to post another video. Who knows if it's going to be another cleaning hack, something from the mountain. We're just kind of shaking it up here as we get into the fall. So as always, be safe and God bless.